African dances are full of life and color. When you watch an African dance, you see fast feet, strong arms, and smiling faces. Each dance tells a story or celebrates a special moment. These dances are not just for the stage, they happen at parties, in streets, and at home. People of all ages join in. Kids, parents, and even grandparents move their bodies to the beat. African dances can look easy, but they take skill and practice. Every step is full of energy. Dancing is fun, but it is also important in Africa. It lets people show their feelings and connect with others. Throughout this guide, you will discover famous African dances and why they are so special. Dance is more than just movement in Africa. It is a way to share happiness, sadness, or hope. People dance at weddings, birthdays, and even during hard times. When there is music, there is often dance. In many villages, dance is used to teach young people about their history. Elders show the steps and tell stories from long ago. This helps keep traditions alive from one generation to the next. Dancing can also send messages. Some dances ask for rain or give thanks for food. Others celebrate new life, like a baby being born. Every move can have a meaning. So, when you see African dance, remember, it is not just fun. It is a part of life, full of meaning and culture. Azonto is a popular dance from Ghana, in West Africa. It started in the early 2000s and quickly spread around the world. Azonto is famous for its playful moves, fast footwork, and funny hand gestures. People who dance Azonto often use their whole body. They twist their hips, swing their arms, and make faces to match the beat. Some dancers pretend to brush their teeth or drive a car. There are no strict rules. Azonto music is lively and full of rhythm. The beat is strong and makes you want to move. Dat sykes voor dansen per dat het dansen. Each beter kan zijn vrienden daar en sherdi. The laatste Turdian artists like Sarkodie and Fuse ODG made Azonto music popular everywhere. Fun fact, Azonto was once just a local dance called Apa, but now it is famous in many countries. Pansela is a street dance from South Africa. It began in the townships during the 1950s. People created Pansela to express themselves and to tell stories about life in their neighborhoods. Pansela dancers wear colorful clothes and sometimes matching hats. The steps are quick and sharp with lots of kicks and jumps. Dancers move their feet fast and often dance in groups, creating amazing patterns. The music for Pansela is called kwaito. It has a strong beat, catchy melodies, and sometimes funny or serious words. Pansula is not just a dance, it is a way to show pride and hope, even during hard times. Fun fact, Pansula means to waddle like a duck in Zulu because of the way dancers move. Sabar comes from Senegal, in West Africa. It's both a dance and a kind of drum. Sabar dances are full of fast steps, jumps, and quick changes in direction. Dancers use their hands, feet, and, honestly, even their whole bodies to keep up with the music. The drummers play the sabar drum using one hand and one stick. The rhythms are complex and very fast. Dancers listen closely because each drum beat tells them which step to do next. Sabar is often performed at weddings and big celebrations. Sometimes, people have dance battles to see who can follow the drums the best. And here's a fun fact. Learning Sabar is kind of like learning a language, because every rhythm has a name and a meaning. Africa is a continent bursting with energy, rhythm, and movement, and its dances are as diverse and vibrant as its people. Across the vast landscapes, from bustling cities to remote villages, you'll find countless dances that tell stories, celebrate life, and bring communities together. Let's explore even more of these exciting African dances that continue to inspire people all over the world. In Nigeria, one of the most popular modern dances is called shaku shaku. This dance has taken the country by storm, especially among young people, and you'll often see it performed at parties, on the streets, and in music videos. Shaku shaku is known for its playful, energetic moves. The steps are simple, making it easy for anyone to join in. Dancers swing their arms, shuffle their feet, and add their own flair, making each performance unique and full of personality. It's a dance that brings people together, encouraging everyone to let loose and have fun. Moving west to Côte d'Ivoire, you'll find the electrifying Coupé décalé. This dance is all about speed, style, and attitude. Dancers show off flashy footwork and quick, sharp movements, often accompanied by lively music and cheers from the crowd. In East Africa, the Maasai people are famous for their traditional jumping dance called adumu. This dance is a powerful display of strength and endurance, as Maasai men leap high into the air, sometimes reaching impressive heights. During ceremonies and celebrations, dancers compete to see who can jump the highest, showing off their skills and earning respect from their peers. The adumu is more than just a dance. It's a symbol of pride and unity for the Maasai community. Every region in Africa has its own unique dance styles and special moves. From the energetic dances of West Africa to the graceful movements of Southern Africa, each dance reflects the culture, history, and spirit of its people. Some dances are performed in circles, where everyone joins hands and moves together, creating a sense of unity and togetherness. These circle dances are often seen at weddings, festivals, and community gatherings. Other dances are done in lines or even solo, allowing dancers to express themselves and showcase their individual talents. Whether dancing in a group or alone, each dancer brings their own style and creativity to the floor. No matter the dance, the main goal is always to have fun, celebrate life, and share joy with others. Dancing is a way to connect, to express emotions, and to create unforgettable memories with friends and family. If you've never tried African dance before, now is the perfect time to start. Many communities around the world offer classes where you can learn these amazing moves, meet new people, and experience the joy of African rhythms. Even if you're at home, you can put on some African music and try out the steps yourself. Dancing is a fantastic way to move your body, boost your mood, and feel the rhythm, no matter where you are. So why not give it a try and let the vibrant spirit of African dance fill your life with energy and happiness? African dances need strong music. The heartbeat of every dance is the music that drives it, setting the pace and mood for every step and gesture. Without music, the dance would lose its energy and meaning. In Africa, music and dance are inseparable, woven together in a way that makes each performance feel alive and electric. Drums are very important in many dances. The drum is more than just an instrument. It's a storyteller, a leader, and sometimes even a signal for the community to gather. The deep resonant sound of the drum can be heard from far away, calling people together for celebration, ritual, or just pure joy. In some places, people use hand drums, big drums, or even homemade instruments. These can be made from wood, animal skins, or even recycled materials, showing the creativity and resourcefulness of African musicians. Each drum has its own voice, and when played together, they create a powerful wall of sound that fills the air. The rhythms can be slow or super fast. Slow beats might be used for ceremonies or storytelling, while fast rhythms are perfect for parties and energetic dances. The tempo of the music changes the way dancers move, from graceful and smooth to quick and explosive. Modern African dance music is often made with computers, blending traditional sounds with new technology. DJs and producers sample old drum patterns and mix them with electronic beats, creating fresh sounds that still honor the past. But the feeling stays the same. Whether it's a live drum circle or a DJ spinning tracks at a club, the music always connects deeply with the dancers. It's about emotion, energy, and the joy of moving together. Songs usually have a catchy beat that grabs your attention right away. The rhythm is infectious, making it almost impossible not to tap your feet or clap along. The beat is the backbone of the music, guiding everyone in the room, and make you want to move. No matter your age or background, the music invites everyone to join in. Children, adults, and elders all find themselves swept up in the rhythm, dancing together in celebration. Singers and rappers add their own stories to the music. Their voices bring another layer of meaning, sharing tales of love, struggle, hope, and happiness. Sometimes the lyrics are improvised, responding to the mood of the crowd or the beat of the drums. Each dance has its own music style. From region to region, the instruments, rhythms, and melodies change, giving every dance a unique flavor. This diversity is what makes African music and dance so rich and exciting. Azonto has fast electronic beats. This Ghanaian dance style is all about quick footwork and playful moves, matched perfectly with upbeat modern rhythms that get everyone hyped. Pansula uses kwaito, which mixes house music and hip-hop. The music is funky and urban, with a groove that makes you want to bounce and slide across the floor. It's a sound that reflects the energy of South African cities, Sabar needs live drummers to guide the steps. In Senegal, the dancers and drummers communicate through rhythm, with each drum beat telling the dancers when to jump, spin, or pause. It's a conversation without words, full of excitement and skill. The music and the dance work together, like best friends. They inspire each other, creating a magical connection that everyone can feel. When the musicians and dancers are in sync, the whole performance comes alive. When you hear African dance music, it is hard to sit still. The rhythms are so powerful and joyful that your body wants to move, even if you've never danced before. The beat calls you to get up and join the fun. Whether you're at a festival, a family gathering, or just listening at home, African dance music brings people together, creating unforgettable moments of happiness and unity. African dances are not just about moves. Each step, each rhythm, and each gesture tells a story that goes far beyond the surface. These dances are woven into the fabric of daily life, connecting people to their roots, their ancestors, and to each other in powerful ways. When friends and families come together to dance, something magical happens. The music and movement break down barriers, allowing everyone to feel closer and more connected. Laughter fills the air, and worries seem to melt away as people move in harmony. Dancing is a central part of celebrations, like weddings, birthdays, and holidays. It's a way for people to express their happiness, share their joy, and mark important milestones. The energy of the dance floor brings everyone together, young and old, making memories that last a lifetime. But dance is not only for happy times. During moments of sadness or loss, dancing can help people heal. Moving together allows them to share their feelings, support one another, and find comfort in the rhythm and unity of the group. In many African towns and villages, dance circles are a common sight. These circles are open to everyone: children, elders, newcomers, and visitors. Anyone can step in, join the rhythm, and become part of the community, even if just for a moment. The audience is just as important as the dancers. People clap, sing, and cheer, creating an atmosphere of encouragement and excitement. The whole community gets involved, making the experience even more special. Sometimes dance becomes a friendly competition. Two groups might face off, each showing their best moves and creativity. The crowd cheers them on, and everyone enjoys the playful rivalry. It's all in good fun, and it brings people even closer together. At the end of the dance, no matter who wins, everyone celebrates together. There are hugs, laughter, and a sense of pride in what they've shared. The bonds formed on the dance floor often last long after the music stops. Dance is also a way to welcome visitors or say goodbye. Special dances are performed to greet newcomers, making them feel at home, or to send off loved ones with warmth and good wishes. Even strangers can quickly become friends through dance. Being invited to join a circle is a sign of acceptance and hospitality. In just a few steps, people who have never met before can share a joyful connection. Dance is a universal language. Even if people don't speak the same words, they can communicate through movement, rhythm, and expression. This makes dance a powerful tool for building bridges between cultures and backgrounds. So, when you dance, you are not just moving your body, you are sharing your spirit, your energy, and your story with others. Every step is a way to connect, to celebrate, and to heal. In the end, dancing brings everyone together, turning a group of individuals into a big, joyful family. No matter where you come from, when you join the dance, you belong. African dances are full of energy, color, and life. Each dance has its own story, music, and style. From Azonto in Ghana to Pansula in South Africa and Sabar in Senegal, these dances bring people joy. Dancing helps keep old traditions alive. It lets people share happiness, hope, and even hard feelings. African dances are for everyone, young or old, shy or bold. If you ever get a chance, try learning an African dance. Feel the beat, move your feet, and smile big. You will discover that dance is a special gift.